So I've got a Immerson solar controller here. Customer says that apparently it works fine for a while and then it'll randomly show a fan error. So I saw the heatsink had quite a lot of dust in it, so I've cleaned a lot of that out. So inside there is a fan. So the fan was absolutely caked in dust. Basically, you could replace it, but if there's nothing wrong with it, there's no real need. So what I've done, I've taken it apart, cleaned it all, and then, because the thing is, what a lot of people don't know is these come apart. So that spins perfectly fine now. Yeah, so what you do on these is on the back, basically, is the sticker. If you take the sticker off, under the sticker you find this little, it's basically the shaft of the fan. So the shaft of the fan spins around inside there. So if you take that little collar off, the whole thing will then come out from the inside. And like when a fan gets stuck, a lot of the time it's just literally that the grease inside is just dried up, and that's literally all that's wrong with it. So there you go. That's got the little collar in the middle. Look, is back inside it. So yeah, literally all you do is take the collar off with like a set of tweezers, and then that whole shaft comes out of there then. So what I've done is clean the excess of the grease away, and then just literally just stick the sticker back on there, and that will keep all the grease that's in there in. So there you go, that's stuck back on there again. But yeah, that should be pretty much like it's like fairly newish now, to be honest. So I'll test it in a second just to make sure. There we go, all fixed and working. So yeah, that's basically how you service a fan. Take the sticker off the back, take the collar off, then pull the shaft out, clean it all up, re-grease it, put the collar back on, and job done. So as long as there's no play in the shaft, which there isn't in this case, like it's perfectly fine. The only thing with this, it was just stiff. It's literally, you couldn't spin it at all with your finger. It was just stuck completely. So literally all I've done is just cleaned it up, taken it apart, serviced the fan and put it back together. So yeah, that was literally just giving a fan error. So that should sort the problem out now. There we go. Spins fine now. Get it all put back together.